Today for the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency prices. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a very important video about the immediate short term for Bitcoin, an update which I have to make. I covered yesterday, I actually posted first over on Twitter that Bitcoin is kissing the 4-hourly resistance, right? Here at the resistance level around about 113,000, saying that potentially we will break it. Well, we did break it. Actually went all the way to 116,400 US dollars. And now people saying, oh, crazy, we are breaking out. Chris, amazing. What should we do? Are we going to 121,000 US dollars, that price target? Well, we need to talk about that. This is good with one caveat. Let's talk about it. Let's exactly talk about what I am expecting and predicting for Bitcoin right now in the immediate short term. Quick update also about my trades. I'm going into it here. You can see, yes, the trade is still open. $17 million in profits taken and 11.6 million US dollars in unrealized profits on this Bitcoin trade, which still contains approximately 20 million US dollars. So now the question is, well, what can we expect for Bitcoin? Yesterday I posted this, right? This potential break of that resistance with the price target. And now we are seeing Bitcoin is basically on its way. It's beautiful. I mean, if you did take that trade, you are very profitable right now. Congratulations, right? But let me tell you before it's too late what I need to tell you. We are here on the weekly candles for Bitcoin. I will go into the immediate short term, but I wanted to show you all the positive, all the good stuff first before I'm going into the warnings, which you really don't like, at least most of you. And I can understand. We all like positivity. If we're going into the weekly, we can see, yes, we are still above the EMA ribbon on the weekly. That is a beautiful thing. Bitcoin in every single bull market usually bounces among the weekly EMA between the 50-week moving average here, which creates the bottom of that beautiful bull market support. Only every single time, only when we break it to the downside is when the bull market is over. We were far away from that happening so far. 98,000 would be the bull market line of resistance. We are holding it. We've been holding it throughout that whole bull market, just as in every single bull market. All of that positive. Now let's go into the immediate short term, where I definitely want to mention some words of caution. I'm just quickly fixing the chart here. So Actually, I want to take out the EMA ribbon because it's not a really good indication for the 4-hourly. What we can see here is, yes, we have the W pattern on the 4-hourly, which we broke beautifully. We confirmed the break, amazing, right? But number one, yes, confirmation, close above, not enough volume to say, hey, that is a legitimate breakout. And I'm telling you, after the breakout, while everyone is bullish, I want to tell you, no, this is a sign at least of caution. Yes, the price target would be 121,400 US dollars. But one thing which you need to keep in mind for this is all the way until 121, if there's any volume resistance to consider, it's all there. I mean, look, the point of control is, if I'm zooming in a little bit more, the point of control is basically above us, right here. Let me zoom out incorrectly here. So, needs to refresh. Boom. The point of control is above us, somewhere at 118,000 US dollars. That means in the relevant time frame, we have the most volume traded above us. So there is a lot of volume resistance before we are ever coming close to the previous all-time high. Yes, if we break the previous all-time high, that is in no means anything bearish, not at all. I'm just telling you, until then, there is a lot of resistance. So before going in exuberance and overwhelming bullishness and betting all of your houses on high leverage long positions, calm down a little bit and let the market tell us what to do. It's just 5-6% we might be missing out here. Let's just lean back and take a cautious approach. This is what I wanted to tell you today about that. And this is literally the most important thing to consider right now. By the way, if you are actually into wealth generation, great. But you should be into health generation also. And I have a health channel where I uploaded how I ate 1,800 eggs, what happened to my IQ, how to get this body, how to remove depression, how to remove 5 kilogram toxic waste overnight. I have all of these tips. Link in pinned comment. I will put this video here, how to cure crypto-related depression, into the pinned comment. Make sure you check it out and let me know what you think about the current situation of Bitcoin in the comments down below. Like, share, subscribe. We'll see you very soon at the next round on Crypto. As always, guys, as always, bye.